There are many, many different places to put lead magnets on a website. And the problem is, as a marketer, we want to put them everywhere. But as a consumer, we don't want to see them everywhere, right? And there's even some people are saying that, Google might be penalizing some sites if all these different pop-ups are too, they get in the way of what people want to see in terms of the content. So I think we need to be very, very careful. I would say that some of the best practices are the exit pop-up is a great example. I would definitely use that. If you go to my site, you're not going to see a lot of these. I'm planning on pushing these out there. I think at the bottom of blog posts is another great place to have a download button, because once they finished your article, they should have interest in learning more. And if you were to build a lead magnet for every blog post, that's where I'd have it. But you can also put lead magnets, forms in the middle of blog posts, right? Don't wait for them to get to the end, because they may not. Put it in the middle, or you can even have two. If you have a longer blog post, have two in them. We also have that top bar, bottom bar. On my site, I use the bottom bar, right? So at the end of the day, you're probably going to have a combination of an exit pop-up. The landing mat is another one, which comprises the entire front page. I don't know if I'd use that for every site, because that, there's some debate as to will Google penalize you or not for that. But for instance, I'm looking at doing that for my homepage, because my homepage is always going to have #1 ranking on Google. It's probably not going to hurt my ranking, right? So that's a great place to put a landing mat. I wouldn't put it on every page. Some people do. You'll have to experiment. But landing mat, exit pop-up, bottom of blog post, and then forms inside your blog posts would be my recommendation. And the other one is the additional either top bar or bottom bar. I don't know if I do both or not, but those I think are the most popular areas. And I would definitely try with each page on my website to have multiple ways of converting people. Irek, any other additional areas you'd recommend, or did I hit them all?